Helpful for life.
Welcome back to Family Food, everybody. We've got a good one here. The Austins have 20 and the Bostons have 80.
Yeah, baby.
Where we left off, the Austins had all 3 strikes and they got all except for 1 on the board. So now, for all the marbles, Aaron, what is the main reason the average person does not cook?
It's too expensive. Yeah, that's it.
Cost too much! Please reveal number 6.
Don't want to meal plan!
You'd be surprised how many people think that cooking at home is more expensive than the restaurant. But if you do it right, it can actually be cheaper, healthier, and tastier. But that's not why you're here. You're here because you don't know how to cook. You may be like Aaron here. He's never cooked a day in his life. Unless, of course, you count microwave ramen and overcooked scrambled eggs. He's been sucking on his mama's proverbial teat ever since he was actually sucking on her teat. But let's take a look at Baron over there, on the winning team. He is able to depend on himself to cook delicious, healthy meals both for himself and others. All because he took Helpful for Life's online course, Kickstart Your Kitchen. And yes, his name does stand for Better Aaron. But you better believe that Kickstart Your Kitchen does much more than that. It will turn you into someone who can meal plan every week. You'll know the official healthy recommendations, as well as advice from someone who makes decently healthy meals that are a little more realistic and achievable. You will dominate the grocery store, surgically maneuvering the aisles with your beautifully made list. And you will cleverly revamp leftovers so they aren't boring, disgusting, and repetitive. Now let's take a look at Addison here. She's always complaining about things being too long and too hard. Her counterpart, Baddison, on the other hand, never has this problem. Thanks to Kickstart Your Kitchen, the kitchen has been demystified for her. She is no longer afraid. She knows the right techniques to cook quickly, correctly, and easily. Not only that, but with a solid knowledge base and fancy cooking words she now knows, she is set up to expand her cooking knowledge as much as she wants. When she sees a video or recipe she likes, she knows how to make it. And if she needs a reminder for a certain step, she can easily find the video she needs in the course. Plus, she can recreate healthier and tastier versions of all of her fast food favorites. All thanks to Kickstart Your Kitchen. Lastly, we have Adam. Quite the slob, as you can tell. Even though the only gear in his kitchen is a microwavable bowl, which he tried using on the stove once, his place is a complete mess. That's not the case with Badam, though. Powered by Kickstart Your Kitchen, Badam geared up his kitchen and stocked it with the staples. And he learned the most effective ways to clean every last dish, counter, and appliance in his kitchen. In case it's not completely obvious, let me point it out for you. Kickstart Your Kitchen will take you from the hunched over, wrinkly monster you are to a sexy, long-haired master of the kitchen. Although instead of searching for a silly ring, you'll be making delicious homemade onion rings. Get started today at kickstartyourkitchen.com. Why not? We're so confident that you'll love our course that we offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. They still haven't clicked the link yet? I know they can't cook, but do you think they know how to click? Use your pointer finger and poke the rectangle. No, not you. That's not a touchscreen. Use your mouse or a touchpad. Can't help them all.